Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix missing workout history on Ladder. So if your workout history is missing on this app, it's usually caused by sync issues, account mix-ups, or temporary bugs. So actually guys, as first step, I'm going to advise you to do a force sync and refresh. Okay, so you'll need to open the app and then just pull down on the main dashboard or the workout screen to refresh. Okay, just like that, and then wait a few seconds to see if past workouts reappear. Also guys, as the second step, you all need to check that you are logged into the right account. So this is a very common cause. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon or profile picture that's located at the top right corner of the main screen or the dashboard, and here you will need to tap on edit profile here. And there you go. So here where you can check your account's email, first name and last name, and to make sure that you are logged into the right one. Okay, and if unsure, you will need to log out and log back in with the correct account. How so? You'll need just to go and tap on the gear icon that's located at the top right corner, scroll all the way down and go with the log out button below, and then just log back in with the right one. Also guys, do really advise you to check your internet connection. So just go ahead and tap and hold right here on this section, and here you will need to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data and avoid weak or unstable connection, because the workout history is stored on Ladder's servers and it needs a good internet connection. Also guys, they really advise you to restart the app. How so? You only just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe up the app. Okay, so that way you close it completely, and now just reopen the app and check if the issue is still going on. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.